everybody. Today I'll be making a recipe called the Quick Casserole Bread. I found this recipe on the Moss Family TV's channel on YouTube. She made it and she said it was very good, so I wanted to give it a try. Plus I have this new handy dandy machine that I got for Christmas. It's a Ninja and it has a bread dough thing on it that you can mix up bread dough with it. And this is a no-knead bread dough that you make. All you got to do is mix it and let it rise in your pan and put it in the oven after 45 minutes. So we're going to try this and see how it turns out. Now for the ingredients, we are going to need 1 package of Rapid Rise Yeast. And that's going to go in the mixer. And what you want to do is you want to mix all the dry ingredients first before the wet ingredients. So we put that in there. Okay, and then we're going to need 2 3/4 cups of flour. Let's try to do this without making a mess. Then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and that's your dry ingredients. And then you put it in here and you let that mix for 1 minute. Okay. Turn on, low. Alright, that's 1 minute on that. We are also going to need a warm cup of milk that goes in next. After I get done making my mess here. Alright. Put in your 1 cup of milk. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And this is a 1/2 tablespoon, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That will make 2. Alright. Get the lid on it so I don't spill it and make a mess. I know how I am. Alright, so put the lid back on. And put it on the stove. Oh, stop. Let it go 1 more round. Alright, now we're going to see how the dough turned out. Make more of a mess. Alright. Now what we want to do is make it so it's flat and soft on top. Flat and smooth. This is about the texture you want it to be. I'm trying to shape it to go into the dough pan. It's supposed to use a casserole dish, but I don't have a 1 1/2 quart casserole dish, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my bread pan. And then you put it in there and you let it rise for 45 minutes with a clean towel over the top. And Then you start baking at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes, or 25 to 30 minutes, I'm sorry. And you check it to see if it's done all the way through. And when I'm done doing all that, I will get back with you and show you me putting it in the oven. I will be back. Okay, everybody, my dough has risen now for 45 minutes, and we're going to see how it turned out. Let's hope that it turned out okay. It rose to be like that, and now I'm going to put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes and let it bake. Let's see how it turns out after it bakes. Okay, everybody, this has now baked for 25 minutes and it looks perfect. And I'm going to cut it here in a little bit and give it a taste, and I will let you know what it tastes like in just a little bit. But that's what it looks like fresh out of the oven, and I will get back with you in a minute. This is the finished product of my bread, and I am going to cut it now and take a sample bite to see what it tastes like, and I will let you guys know. Get that out of my way before I cut myself. Alright. I'm going to put a little butter on it. Everything tastes better with a little butter. It feels nice and soft. Yummy. Alright. That's what the piece of my bread looks like. I'm going to taste it. Really good, people. You should try it. Yummy, yummy. Quick, easy, and yummy.